Greetings, beautiful ladies, and welcome to One of a Kind Castle. This is the place where ladies shift their mindset to rule their fitness. I'm Karen, your fairy gatekeeper, here to grant your fitness on this magical journey. And today I'll be talking about 5 powerful questions that only take a few minutes a day but can really impact on your fitness. So get yourself a cuppa. I'm just having some rose and lavender tea, the little folk, and I'll wait here for you to come back and we will start. Okay, you're sitting comfortable? Real fitness is not just about muscles and meal prep. It is about what's going on the inside too. A side note, at the end of the video I'll be drawing you a fairy oracle card, so if you're interested in that, stick with me. And there's also a free gift for you that goes along with this video so that you don't forget everything that's in here. This is a more detailed explanation, but I have a PDF with some prompts on it for you to use daily, so that's really handy. I use it myself. So get yourself a quill and a scroll, or pen and paper in your world, or get ready to open your journal like it's your very own spell book of self-love. Number 1, how did you really feel today? What stood out the most? And why do you think that was? Think of this like an emotional warm-up, like when we stretch before exercise to wake up the muscles, but we're waking up our awareness. So what feeling showed up for you today? Were you energized? Were you excited about anything? Or maybe you felt a little, ugh. There's no judgment here. When you name your emotions, they stop controlling you from the shadows. They're right there in front of you to see. You become the queen of your castle and not a prisoner in the chains of your moods. Number 2, what did you do today that made you feel proud, peaceful, or true to yourself? This is where we take a spotlight and we shine it on our little triumphs. Like, you may have gone for a walk today when you was really tired, or you said no to something that would have caused you a little bit of stress. Celebrating these moments helps you build self-trust, so you can have a go at things that you didn't think that you were capable of. It's so important to do this. It signals to your subconscious brain, I see you, I love you, and you're doing fantastic. Yeah, even if you've done something really small, but you are recognizing it. It's a special enchantment that grows your confidence. Number 3, was there a moment when you said yes to somebody to do something that you really didn't want to do? And write down why you actually said yes. Was it out of guilt? Was it to keep the peace? Or because you felt you should? This question helps you to see where you give away your energy far too easily. Saying no is not selfish. It is sacred because it is protecting your precious energy. And the more you say no, the more powerful your yes becomes to your own joy and your purpose and your health. Number 4, it's a tender one, this one, but it can be very freeing if you can journal this. Is there something you're carrying around with you that hurts you, and how is it affecting you today? Your past has a habit of sneaking out when you least expect it, in the form of fear, doubt and worry, and holding you back and keeping you stuck in things that you're doing in your daily life. Think of this as like unpacking an invisible rucksack that you've put it in and you've been carrying it around with you, and it's so heavy. You don't have to fix it today, but noticing it helps you to see where it is affecting you and that it's not up to any good. In the castle, the ladies are guided to go down the deep well to get these blockages up and bring them into the light, and from there they take them into the garden of change where the transformation happens. If your problem's more serious, then please see your GP or seek out professional guidance in the form of a therapist or a counsellor. Number 5, if you showed up as your true brave self, what would that look like to you? Society makes us act in certain ways that are not us. So if you think back to your childhood, you will remember what it's like to be truly you. This is where fantasy becomes reality, good lady. You get to imagine the fantastic, authentic version of you that isn't hiding, holding herself back, or acting out somebody else. You're just you, and it's easy. Maybe it's like wearing those leggings that you love, or dancing like a crazy lady around your living room, no matter who's looking through the window. Maybe it's speaking up when you usually keep quiet, and maybe it's like taking a little rest and leaving those dishes till later. Sometimes you have to let go of stuff so that you can feel the true magic of relaxation. It's about being soft, strong, powerful, and playful. It's just you, unfiltered. Doing this kind of journaling is like looking in the mirror of reflections that we have here in a one-of-a-kind castle. It reflects your truth, it reveals your power, and brings peace to your soul. Journaling for me, to find out who I am and what I want, is like magical fairy glitter sprinkled on my fitness. You will be so happy you started. Just keep on going. It's like chatting to somebody that you really, really trust with everything that goes on inside. So here's your free gift. You can download it here or there. I don't know which way this goes. Enjoy. All you have to do is think of something that you want it to relate to, and I will choose a card and you can interpret it your own way. Okay, I'll just stick them out like that and just pick one out at random. And we have Moon Energy. Surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. If you're feeling confused, this fairy comes to calm emotions and reassure you that peace of mind is possible. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who you think may need it. And subscribe for more empowerment from One of a Kind Castle. Stay magical, be kind, and always honour the truth of who you are. Have fun doing it. Fare thee well, good lady.